Today we are testing the durability of our security drones. We're gonna run them through simulated rain, simulated wind, and then we're gonna see how fast they can go. First, let's see how it does in simulated rain. We have Jack, one of our many drone pilots over here, helping us simulate the rain. Okay, we're gonna take off now. The water really isn't slowing this thing down as it takes off. Wow, look at the water really just get thrown off the propellers. This thing isn't even being slowed down. Bringing it into land now, and as you can see, the water still is just not affecting its ability, and that's just so cool. All right, as you can see, that rain didn't slow down the drone at all. So let's see how it does with the wind. And once again, we have Jack helping us out by simulating the wind with a leaf blower. To start off, we're gonna simulate launching in winds of about 13 miles an hour. Wow, it really handled those winds. Now we're gonna get it up off the ground a little bit more and see how much more it can really take. And now we're gonna simulate winds of about 22 miles an hour. Look how well it's handling that. So it's not getting put off its course, so let's just bring it back down. You saw it can handle the wind. Now let's see how fast this thing can go. We're going from one corner of the property to the other. Let's see how fast we can get it. And as you can see here, this thing is really zooming. You've seen that the drone can handle rain, wind, and it's fast. We do offer in-person demos so you can see it for yourself in person. If you want more information, visit tpcsecurity.com/drones.